Yes, guys, best low competition and high demand Etsy digital products. Let's go. Guys, hope you guys are well. Listen, I got another one for you. Check it out. Look at this. This is the one. This is one of the ones. But look, allowance tracker, guys. Allowance trackers. These are really, really cool. Getting really popular now, guys. Look, 1,189 results. Very low competition, guys. It's amazing. Now, let's analyze these. Allowance trackers are really for kids, right? So you give them a weekly allowance. Financial planners you've got. You've got weekly, like I said, allowance. You've got chore, to do with chores as well, chore charts. These are getting to be so popular. There's bundles of these, and look, you can do these. Like I said, there's Canva templates which you can do and edit and just get it done very quickly, very cheaply. So these are getting to be really cool, really popular kind of digital downloads, guys, that people are kind of buying now. So I wanna kind of look at this in a little bit more detail. As usual, I'm using my go-to Etsy software, EVERBEE, guys. And remember, you can check out all the free trials in the link in my description. But let's check out this one, this niche. I like this niche a lot. Now let's see the profitability of this niche. So let's go to revenue. Remember, click on the revenue bit to see how it works. Let's just go to the top one. So look, I mean, you got $188, right? These are some of the players, but look, these guys are quite new. You got 5 months. Well, these are not that new. 5 months, 26, 18. I mean, 188 isn't, I would say, groundbreaking, but it's a good one to start getting into. I think these kind of allowance trackers, chore trackers are getting to be quite popular. So let me just click on the allowance tracker quickly. Let's say this one, which is like one of the most, they sell $3, so then they're quite cheap as well. And it's very simple to make. So when you got something like £3, for example, look at this. It's a chart, right? It's the simplest thing that you could do. It's nothing hard. So when you got something that's so simple to do, you can understand that the amount of money made is not that much. However, I still do believe that this will be something that will be a grower. It's definitely in terms of a growing a niche to get into. Allowance chore trackers, even if I type in chore tracker or type in kids, let's do kids template trackers, tracker templates. I'll just do tracker templates, see what we get. I hope we get the right kids tracker. Okay, so yeah, we do have different types of trackers, and this one's 8,123, right? So we're looking at the kids niche kind of templates, if you like. So this one's an interesting one. I just want to like sift through it a little bit more, because I believe this one's just got a little bit more out there, so it's most likely gonna be a higher revenue because it's mixed with different things. So I'm just gonna look at this. Oh, sorry, let me go to revenue. Oops, my mistake. There you go. Let's go. This is what I'm looking at. $1,128, right? That's not too shabby, guys. I even like this one, but this one's different. This one's baby daily log. That's an interesting one. Look at this, baby daily log. So, but anyway, let's go to this one. I know it's been around for a bit, quite a bit, 41 months, that listing age, but it's gonna give us an idea about what it is. Remember, it's a niche that you can get into. Wow, $66. That's a price and a half. So what are they selling? They're selling everything. Plan your perfect month, manifest. Wow, I think that's everything. We don't want to get into that. That's too much, right? No wonder. But what we want to do is let's look at this one. This one's interesting, right? This one's interesting because this one's a daily log, a baby daily log, right? A baby daily log. $5, probably one of the simplest templates you could produce. Look at this. A baby daily log. Feeding, diapers, sleep. Simple. It's nice. I really like that idea. Let's look at the calculating the profit. They got 81%, yeah, obviously, because look, it's only really fees that are taken out. There's no shipping cost really. So It's really just pretty much the fees. Editable as well, PDF, you know. You can create these in Canva as well, which is amazing. Check out Canva, guys. Remember, you can check out the free trial in my description. There's Canva. This is for invitation templates, which I spoke about previously, which you can check out in my playlist. And let's just get back to this one, though. This is interesting. Where is it? I've got so many open tabs, but I'm going to find it. There you go. So anyways, yeah. Now, look, granted, right? Granted, I'm talking, you know, in terms of the money aspect, it's not the most right now. You know, we're looking at $110. Not that much. It's going for 19 months. So it's not the biggest, not the best, right? But it's an interesting one. Now, let me go to something that's kids. Look at this. Right now, kids coloring pages. Let's have a look at this one. Ooh, ooh, that's way too much. Look at that competition. Madness. 89,000. Now, it could be boys, it could be girls. Does it actually give us any... remember, niche down. Look, I've gone from 89,000 to 4,000, guys. That's how you niche down, right? Simple. Now, these are... Look, let's just have a look at... Let's just analyze this page, yeah, for a second. Let's just analyze, guys. Boys coloring pages. I've been a bit more specific. And then I'm going to go to monthly revenue, yeah? Let me just try and... get there. Right, look, these are not too hard. They're tricky to do. Not gonna lie, but look, you could literally in 6 months start earning $200 for a 60-page pack. Okay, for a 60-page pack, guys. Now, the thing about this one, I mean, I wouldn't personally, unless you're really good at drawing, you could create these fantastically well and easily, right? If that's your thing and you can draw really well, it's a really good one to do. Yeah, look at this. They look really nice. But I'll tell you what I would do. I would literally go to somewhere like Fiverr and I would get something like get somebody to make it for me. So I'll just type in coloring page template, go to Fiverr, check it out, get somebody who does coloring pages. I will design, come on. Get somebody who does coloring pages. Let me just do it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so I get somebody to do some coloring pages for me. Look at it, it's quite nice as well. Look, some people are really good at drawing, and then you could actually, you know, look, I'll give you 10 pages, printable kids coloring pages for $5. Guys, check it out. I'll do that one, right? I'll do that, and I can sell it on Etsy. So to have an extra revenue stream, which you can build, what might be around $200, $300, $400 pounds, you know, it's a really good thing. It's a really good idea that you can start because the competition's low. You saw the competition, right? When it was boys coloring pages, it was down to like, what was it, 4,000 search, right? So there's a great idea for you guys. Now, I'm going to give you another idea because I know you're thinking some okay ones there, but you're like not that impressed. Okay, I'll give you some really good ones now. Like, check it out. Let me check out my list. Okay, now look at this one. Voucher template, right? Let's check this one out. 14,000, it's not bad. I like to stay within under the 20k mark, so I'll take that. Editable. Yeah, okay. Let's check this out. I mean, look, it's still quite good. I mean, they're still good. Right? Downloadable. Printable. That's what we need. So let's go to revenue. Let's click on that. Let's go to the money. Print at home one. Okay, this one's been running for 12 months. Okay, I got a bit happy. I think that one wasn't a printable. I think that one was the actual one they send through the post. No wonder it looked crazy. Now here's a print at home one. Print at home, fake boarding pass. What is this? Boarding pass. Instant download and personalized. 188. Okay, so the profit will be around what? 80% or so? Oh, 66. Why is that? Total costs and total revenue. Okay, so the fees are quite high. Transaction fees, payment processing. Okay. Now, this one, let me just go back for a second. That one was making not bad, $500, almost $500 for a printable, like been around for 12 months, almost $500. The easiest thing to do, very simple to make. So that's actually not bad, guys. It's not $5,000, not 5,000, but look, it's something that's pretty cool to do. So there's a good niche for you. 6% conversion rate. Wow, these are high. 9%. That's crazy. Those conversion rates are really good. And you can see that the SEO is pretty good. So, you know, it's a good little analysis here that I can do with EVERBEE. I really like the analytics and this. And guys, you got to check it out and link in my description so you can see. But for a revenue stream, guys, for another digital download, to get something almost like $500, let's say, look, these are pretty good numbers. They're not bad. I mean, they're not bad for a thing that you can make in like 5 seconds. Well, not 5 seconds, but let's say 10 minutes. Look at this. It's like a fake boarding card idea, you know. It's nothing really that spectacular or hard to do, really. So yeah, I like this. I really like this. And you can print it out. Look, there's a video on it. You print it out. It's easy. It's not hard. Yeah, guys, check out my playlist, please. See all the videos on all the ideas for digital downloads that you could possibly sell. And if you did like the video, hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys. And don't forget to check out all the free trials of my softwares that I use in my description. And guys, remember, drop a comment below if you got a question. I'm always happy to help, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.